Hi guys, this is my first live. I'm not sure how many people I will be able to reach to. The community of this channel is very small now. Right now we have only 18 subscribers, and maybe they are not online right now. Uh, the motive for this channel, uh, uh, the reason why I created this channel was to keep the heritage of Awadhi language alive. And because uh, if you want to learn a language, you should have some material available to you, either in the form of a book or some content related to it should be available online. But for Awadhi, sadly, there is no much content available online. So I have tried to, you know, compile some words and phrases of Awadhi language and publish them online, so that if in future someone wishes to know about Awadhi language, then they should not be clueless. They should find something about Awadhi language online. We'll wait for some more time just to see if someone joins our live stream, and if possible, we'll be able to. We will talk to them as well. I have done some research about Awadhi language recently, and I found out that the indentured laborers who were uh, transported by the Britishers to different countries like Fiji, Guyana, Suriname, Mauritius. So in these countries, when the people from the northern India, that is from UP or Bihar, were taken to these places, and uh, they were promised that they will be sent back, but somehow these people could not return, and they got settled there itself. And that is how uh, their older generation, the older people of these countries, still speak this language. Either they speak Awadhi or Bhojpuri or a mix of Awadhi and Bhojpuri. But their descendants, the people who are in their 40s or 50s now, or their children who are teenagers now, they are not much inclined towards learning Awadhi and Bhojpuri, because uh, their official language is English. So these languages that are Awadhi and Bhojpuri, I feel that these will very soon die out from these countries, because I met a few people online who are from these countries like Trinidad and Tobago, Mauritius, Guyana. So those people who are in their 20s or 30s, they have clearly said that they do not know this language, they do not speak this language anymore. So what does this mean? This means that this language is only spoken by their elder family members who might not be with us after 20, 30 years. And this language will go back with them. It will it will die. This language will die. So we all have to try and contribute whatever we can in order to keep these languages alive. It's been 4 minutes, no one has joined. Maybe I'll have to work more to build this community even bigger, so that I can have at least a few people available to talk. But it's okay. It was my first live. I wanted to know how does it go. I do not have a fancy setup of YouTube channel like mic and camera. Maybe I'll be able to afford it soon. So that's all I have to say right now. Let's connect shortly again, and I hope I'll be able to speak to someone from our community as well. Thank you.